Pamela Howard. Today I'll be talking to Dr. Milton Moore, a prominent dermatologist in Houston, Texas. Dr. Moore, thanks for allowing me to be here today.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, you're more than welcome, sir. Can I ask you a little bit about yourself?
Sure, I'll be glad to talk with you about that. Well, basically, I'm a dermatologist. I became a pharmacist first, went to Xavier University in New Orleans, became a pharmacist. Then I went on to Meharry Medical School to become a physician. Then I went to Howard University in order to become a dermatologist. As being a dermatologist, I started, designing products that would help problems that many people had. I had a problem with razor bumps. When I would shave, I would cut the bumps and it would bleed, and I got tired of it. And I said, I can't write a prescription for anything that I know it would work, so I need to come up with something that would make this condition better. Mm-hmm. And that's when I went into creating products that made my skin better, and decided that I would make those products available for people all over the country and the world to actually use.
Wow. Okay. Well, why did you choose to specialize in dermatology?
Well, it allowed me to use my pharmacy knowledge to my best ability. Because as a pharmacist, we make creams, ointments, and formulations. Mm-hmm. And dermatologists use creams, ointments, and formulations more than any other field in medicine. So mm-hmm. It was just a natural thing for me to go into dermatology after becoming a pharmacist and knowing how to compound products.
Certainly. Well, what is the most common skin issue that people are faced with?
Well, there are a lot of things that are very common, but acne is probably the most common thing for the younger generation. Mm-hmm. And you also have women that are postmenopausal that start having acne problems as well because of the hormone changes. So I would say acne would probably be the number one, but eczema would probably be the number two. That's an allergic skin condition where you get rashes that itch, and they're kind of seasonal, and they can be very debilitating in terms of scratching and rubbing your skin and just getting worse. Psoriasis is a big problem as well, but eczema certainly is a problem that affects kids and adults as well.
Of course. Well, what is one thing you know about skin that everyone should know?
Okay. Well, you should know it's the largest organ in the body. Mm-hmm. You have to take care of that organ. You have to hydrate it with drinking adequate water. You have to apply certain things to your skin depending on the time of the year. If it's wintertime and the skin is drier, then you should use some lotion in order to moisturize and hydrate your skin. When you're talking about the summertime, you want to use a soap that's antibacterial that can kind of keep the bacteria count down so that you don't have any odor that comes from under arms or from the skin or the sweat. So you want to use an antibacterial wash that is not irritating to the skin, so that mm-hmm. you don't end up with dry, itchy skin as well. So the things here is that know your skin, know what your skin needs, and then do that in order to keep it looking good. Now you want to protect it from the sun too, especially if you're fair complected. So sunscreens help with that. You not only can use the sunscreen on the face, but you can use it on the neck and the arms as well. You'll look younger, longer, and if you're kind of fair complected, you can reduce the risk of skin cancer, like basal cell skin cancer, or the worst thing, of course, is melanoma.
Of course. Well, Dr. Moore, can you tell us about your skincare company and the products that you have available to help combat some of these issues?
Okay. Well, we focus on primarily shaving problems. We have eliminated the problem of severe ingrown hairs and when you shave. So no matter how severe the shaving problem is, these products will correct the problem and mm-hmm. allow you to be able to shave. It works in just 3 days. You'll be able to improve the texture of the skin and get the color right as well, because all of those things are really important. This is a hydrocolloid shave gel, and it is applied to the skin. It's real silky and smooth, mm-hmm. and so you shave with that instead of shaving foam. It's just like shaving the hair off like with butter, because it softens the hair so immediately. Okay. And then a razor rash cream is put on afterwards, antibacterial, and it prevents any bumps from occurring, and it flattens out any bumps that may be already present. The newest item that just came out a month ago is our Nouveau E Beard Serum, mm-hmm. and that softens the goatee and the beard instantly. It's not greasy or oily, and that's what men just love it, and they love the way it smells as well. So it causes the beard to become fuller, because it helps it to grow longer and it kind of plumps up the beard.
Awesome.
So it's really a great product. So people need to really use that.
That's amazing.
This is the body lotion, the Hydroglide body lotion for active lifestyle at the pool, beach, gym, just dry skin or eczema skin. I'm going to put a little bit on your arm here, and you can just rub that in and see just what it does for your skin. It's silky and smooth. Just
It
rub it
is.
all the way.
It is.
Yeah, it has a cooling feeling. Put it all over your arm.
It does.
Yes, it just goes right into your skin, and it stays like for 24 hours.
Smells good.
Moisturized.
Smells really good.
Yeah.
Soft.
And it's real soft and smooth.
Very soft and
And
smooth.
so it can be used by men, women, and children.
That's great.
Any itchy skin conditions, and it takes the red out. You know, if you have a sunburn or it's just irritated from
Well, it
doing
certainly
active
feels
lifestyle.
smoothly on my skin.
Silky smooth. Yes.
Absolutely, I concur.
Right.
Whoa. Well, Dr. Moore, are there any other things you'd like to share with us about your skincare products?
Well, the thing is, the products are made for the general population, but they specifically definitely help with the ethnic community as well. I sought after making sure that the ethnic community did have something that could really help them with their common problems. But it is an effective product that can be used for the general population as well.
Great information.
Right. So the thing is that if you have something that's not getting better, I recommend you see a dermatologist and get it taken care of. Don't just keep using home remedies and doing things that you read about that you don't really know what you're doing.
Absolutely
And
not.
it's not getting any better. It's time to see a professional and get it taken care of. And then to follow the routine and plan that is laid out for you so you can have the best skin.
Okay, we'd like to truly thank you for sharing this valuable information with us today about skin care and skin care products. And as you shared a wealth of knowledge with us, and we're most grateful to you, Dr. Moore. I really appreciate this interview.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you very
you.
much for coming in. I hope